Hello, welcome back to English with Chris. Today we're looking at some more cat idioms, so 7 new cat idioms. Let's jump right in. First up, we have wait for the cat to jump. And if you wait for the cat to jump, or to see which way the cat jumps, you delay taking action until you see how events will turn out. So you want to know what happens before you do it. Let's wait for the cat to jump before we decide. Next up, we have cat's lick. So this one is primarily used in Scotland. So you might not have come across this one before. If not, now you know it. So cat's lick means a very quick wash. If we use it in a sentence, a cat's lick was all he had time for before rushing off to catch the bus. So if you get up late, maybe you don't have so much time to get ready, you can only do so much. So a very, very quick wash, the equivalent of a cat's lick, and then he's off. Next up, we have the cat's whiskers or the cat's pajamas. Both of these are very, very, very nice idioms that I like using myself. They're a lot of fun. So here, meaning, the expression refers to someone who considers themselves to be better than anyone else in a particular area. For example, beauty, competence, intelligence, sport, etc. If we use it in a sentence, ever since she got a promotion, she thinks she's the cat's whiskers, or she thinks she's the cat's pajamas. We have a lot of very strange ones like this, where the cat's pajamas, cat's whiskers, bee's knees, etc. Very bizarre ones, but they're a lot of fun and they're used very often. Next up, we have a cat and dog life. You might be able to work this one out from, well, yeah, from your experience of cats and dogs, maybe. But the meaning here, a life in which partners are constantly or frequently quarreling, is called a cat and dog life. So a quarrel is another way of saying like an argument. I think I have this in a word of the day as well. So if you like more details, have a look there. And if we use it in a sentence, they lead a cat and dog life. I don't know why they stay together. So here it must be particularly bad. Next up, we have one which I think everyone could think of at some point: raining cats and dogs. Meaning, if it's raining cats and dogs, it is raining very heavily. And I mean really, really heavily here. So if we use it in a sentence, we'll have to cancel the picnic, I'm afraid. It's raining cats and dogs. And next up, we have play cat and mouse. To play cat and mouse with someone means to treat them alternately, cruelly, and kindly, so that they do not know what to expect. So you're keeping someone on their toes. You might be nice to them 1 minute, and then the next minute, not very nice at all. And if we use it in a sentence, he's difficult to work for, always playing cat and mouse with the employees. So one day he might be very, very cordial. You can converse with him, and then the next day he might not be like that at all. And last but not least, we have set or put the cat among the pigeons. If someone sets the cat among the pigeons, they cause trouble or make a lot of people angry. So in the picture, in the video here, just to clarify, this is not a pigeon. Pigeons are usually found outside, or some people use them to race with. Anyway, we use it in a sentence. If Joe is the only one to get a pay increase or a pay rise, that will set the cat among the pigeons. So it also puts Joe in a very sticky situation because, of course, the other employees won't be very happy with him because he's got a pay rise or a pay increase and they haven't. but of course, that might not be his fault. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed these 7 cat idioms. If you've not seen the first part, I did 10 cat idioms there. Take a look, try and use them, and we have the comment section, of course. So why don't you let me know what your favorite one is and try and use it in the comments below. I'd love to read your examples and find out which ones you like best. Anyway, I hope you're all having a lovely day. Take care, all the best, and bye for now. Bye bye.